I am here with Brother Mark and his wife Cindy. And guess what? We are boondocking in their yard because they are host with BoondockersWelcome.com.
Yes.
And we are their first YouTubers they've ever had here. And y'all look in the background. Oh, they're working on a holiday rambler. Sweet. It's so peaceful here. So peaceful. Nice breeze. Awesome. Got horses. Isn't that awesome? There's the barn. He's got a goat too. Couple horses. Wow. Don't leave me. Aw. Look there. Brother Mark has some rabbits. Look at them pretty rabbits. Hey. Oh yeah. Are you curious? What is that thing? It's a pretty place they have here. Pretty. We're gonna go see the donkey. Go see the donkey. When I was growing up, I had a little donkey like this. Her name was Jenny. Hey. How are you? Huh? Yeah? You gonna let me pet you? Oh no. Oh no. Oh, you a shy donkey, huh? Donkeys are cool, people. They are cool. Looky here what we got. Hey, y'all. Y'all hear the turkey in the background? Good golly. What is up? You didn't wake us up this morning. Are you telling your hens to get over there with you? What? Really? Y'all hear that? Oh boy, he's gonna let out another one. You gonna let us know? I think him and the turkey are having a contest. Hello. Yeah? Oh, you're going to talk to me now, huh? And we've already had hummingbirds hit the hummingbird feeder. How cool is that? I just put it up last night. Sweet. How did you get involved with Boondockers Welcome?
Well, Boondockers Welcome is, I had learned by watching RV YouTubes and the RVers and the full-timers, and people were able to boondock out west, but there was a little trouble with boondocking in the East Coast. And I live on a 30-acre farm with my wife Cindy here, and we try to self-sustain, what have you, with animals, and we grow vegetables, what have you. And I thought what fun it would be after watching the homestead YouTubes and the RV YouTubes that we just blended together and bring RVers to experience the farm life with the animals and the vegetables. So I got a hold of BoondockersWelcome.com, became a guest and a host, and started bringing people on board here for a couple days at a time, and it's been a success. It's been fun.
We have absolutely enjoyed ourselves, and they are the hostesses with the mostesses, let me tell you. They have made us cookies, brought us tomatoes. We've seen all the farm animals. It's been a blast. We have really enjoyed ourselves. And this morning, we had donuts. It was awesome.
We like to eat. And fresh eggs.
And fresh eggs. Exactly.
Yes.
How much does it cost to boondock here?
It doesn't cost anything to boondock. That's what boondocking is.
Okay.
It's free parking or free sleeping. Well, I like to have up to 3 nights, and if you want to stay, and then if it's a good stay, and we determined, Cindy and I both determined that you can stay a little longer, we'll let you stay a little longer. But you're more than welcome to stay, because this is like home.
But doesn't it cost money to join Boondockers Welcome?
Yes. To join Boondockers Welcome.com, it is a $35 a year fee to be a guest. And those that have property that want to accept the Boondockers on their property, it's also a $35 fee to become a host. And for my place, I'm on 30 acres. I can probably take up to maybe 5 or 6 rigs at a time, up to anywhere from a tent to about a 35 foot travel trailer. And I got one site with electric and water, but the rest, you that want a boondock and are survivors with solar and what have you, come on the property. I got 30 acres.
Sweet.
And, if you want to sleep next to the donkeys and horses, you'll be fine. But if they're too big for you to sleep with, I got rabbits. Okay?
If people do come here, what's available in the neighborhood?
Okay,
or
in the neighborhood,
in the
we live on
community?
the plateau. We're about 2,100 feet sea level. It's cool in the winter times. It's probably about 16 days bad weather throughout the whole year. It's a beautiful, beautiful place to stay. We've got things like the homesteads that we went and visited. It's a historic where Mr. and Mrs. Roosevelt opened up some properties for people to homestead on and build farm. It's still farmy up here. You see tractors going up and down the road, and we still do little cattle, and there's horses, and it's just a variety of different things. There's a lot of churches. It's a quiet place. It's probably about maybe 60,000 people in the community up here. We have drag races.
You can hear in the background.
It's just right down the road. And then we have a round dirt track too. That's on Friday nights, and the speedway of the drag strip is on Saturday nights. And then there's all kinds of other things to do, like tumbling and dancing and just movies. We got big movie theaters and that kind of. It's just there's a lot of children that live up here in this area, and it's family oriented.
It's actually a retirement community.
Yes, we are the golf capital of the world.
Oh, yes, we are the golf capital of Tennessee.
Right.
With
well, Tennessee's my world, amen.
Oh, okay. But yes, we have from Jack Nicholas to Fairfield has 2 courses. There's the state park has a course.
I think there's about 16 golf courses up here.
Wow.
Now, and I'd have to sit and really think, but there's several, and that's our claim to fame too, is the golf capital of Tennessee.
And there's a Walmart close by.
Oh yes, there's Walmart. All your major box stores are up here.
The Cracker Barrel.
Oh yeah.
Just park in their parking lot.
CVS.
Yes, CVS and Walgreens. Your basic all the things that RVers are looking for is here.
Sweet.
We have KOAs. There's a large. There's 4 or 5 campgrounds up here, but we're about the closest to the interstate.
Interstate 40.
Interstate 40, yes.
Correct.
Yes. So if you're traveling from Florida to New Hampshire, or from New Hampshire to Florida, you can stop in here. It's a good place to rest. And if you're going from Virginia to California, it's a good place to rest. So it's Bromark Farms.
And if you travel like the Phoenix Ramblers and you just kind of meander through the country, it's a good place to stop.
Yes.
On the boondockerswelcome.com, they can find you under Brother Mark's Farms.
Bromark Farms.
Bromark Farms.
Bromark Farms in Crossville, Tennessee.
That's BROMARK. All right. Y'all say bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Stop in.